How to join groups in Instagram. In today's video, I'll show you how to join groups on Instagram. Whether you want to chat with friends, join a community, or find interest-based groups, I'll guide you through it step by step, so let's get started. First things first, open Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Instagram allows users to join group chats, but you need an invite. Open Instagram and go to your DMs by tapping the message icon. If someone has added you to a group, you'll see a chat request. Simply tap accept to join. Next method is to find and join public Instagram broadcast channels. In 2024, Instagram introduced broadcast channels, which are like one-way group chats where creators share updates. Here's how to find and join them. Just open Instagram and go to the Explore and simply search for a creator. If they have a broadcast channel, you'll see a join channel button in their bio or stories. Simply tap it. Once you join, you'll receive updates and messages from the creator. Next method is creating your own Instagram group chat. Just go to your Instagram DMs and simply tap on the new message icon at the top. From there, simply tap on create a group chat. Here you can simply select multiple people you want to add to the group and simply type a message and send it, and it will automatically create a group chat. And that's it. Now you know how to join Instagram groups and group chats